Hello guys, and welcome to DMAIL, another upcoming airdrop. And on top of it, this is by itself a very interesting app and website, and I'm sure you're going to understand it in 5 seconds if I tell you what I said in the beginning. DMAIL, decentralized email, where you can use your wallet address. Let's say you can connect various wallets like MetaMask, Phantom, Solana, and then have a inbox. You can send money, you can do stuff with it, and you have it for life because it's logged in to your wallet, so only you can log into that address, to that email. And as you can see, it's doing like a full wallet address for the coin at DMAIL.ai. And on top of it, obviously, there is an airdrop. I'm going to show you tasks in a second, so make sure you join quickly and do the tasks to get as many points as possible to later earn the token DMAIL when it's going to be launched. So free money, free tasks. Let's quickly look into it a little bit more. As you can see, a lot of interest, a lot of people, a lot of interactions. That's what it's all about. That will mean that it will be popular, and only as an email service, that would be a very interesting stuff to use, because you can also buy a particular name, like a personal name. Let me just find it. Where was it? Here in the domain. So as you can see, you can type anything you want, and it will tell you if it's available or not and how much will it cost you. So as you can see, you can literally buy your own email. Will cost you, depending on this and the amount of letters. Basically, this one is like 8 letters, so it's $5. I might try to get it, probably BNB chain. That would be cool. And then you can have a normal inbox like that, which also serves as a digital connected DeFi inbox, all this stuff. But let's go to the airdrop. We've got the website, you can check it out, but let's go quickly to the airdrop because that's the tastiest part. So once you are here in your inbox, you log in with your wallet. You can log in, as I said, with many wallets. As you can see, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, all those wallets, Starknet, even ICP and Solana. I did my Solana because it's faster. Sign the transaction, log in. Once you log in, you go here, down here to this free upgrade. You've got this one, different plans that you can take if you want, but with the point sections, you can see here you've got the points and the tasks to do. So got invitation to other people. I'll put down my link if you want to use it. Thank you in advance. Invite friends, follow on Twitter. So let's try this one. Follow, all these simple typical tasks of airdrops to gain the points. Interact with the project, help them test out and battle test, and also build up the hype. As you can see, it's completed, and some task inside the to learn the settings. So as you can see, I could forward it to my main address, verify it, and then obviously send the code, but I'm gonna skip that for now. And that's it. Just make sure you see send an email by scroll chain. Not sure what is scroll chain, but now we have something like this. Maybe grab another address, I don't know, from MetaMask, my Ethereum address. Let's see if that's gonna work. Send the email. Okay, it doesn't work. Maybe I should put DMAIL. Not sure if it's gonna work. So yeah, I need to test it and try it, but it really looks cool. So as you can see, all these chains as well, BNB chain. So maybe if I put it here, yeah, so this one allowed me to do it. DMAIL.com, maybe I should put AI. Okay, so this one is cool now in the sent folder. Let's go back to those points. If it completed, yeah, so it completed this task. So the other ones are probably going to be similar, or some wallets from Base Chain, Scroll Chain, Manta Chain. All these chains, I will definitely need to do it or find some other emails to try and send it, because obviously more points the better. And that's it. Once you do it, you can go to the website here that I showed you. On top you've got airdrop, and check this one and log in with the same wallet. where is it, Solana, log in with same wallet and see what's what, if we have some already here. If not, then maybe do some more tasks and then come back to it. Okay, so we're not eligible. Probably takes us some times before it updates to the update that I did some points already, some tasks, and that's it. Very simple, very easy. You can learn another skill, another project, and join for free, do some tasks, and then hopefully you will get some nice decent airdrop when it launches. So not much time left, so thank you guys for watching.